isomers are possible for hexane? C6H14. So how many isomers are possible? That means chain isomerism and positional isomerism alone we can take. Okay. I am going to elaborate by using only the carbon linkage. Okay. So I am having 6 carbon here. 6 carbon can be placed. 6 carbon can be placed in a linear manner like this, so that I will get N hexane. N hexane. And when one carbon is shifted, the chain length is differing. So chain isomerism. So CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3. This is 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane. So this set will have the chain length is different. The chain length is different. So we are having chain length isomerism. Then next we will change this functional group here. I mean this carbon here. We will get CH3 attached to here. This is 3-methyl pentane. The position of the group is changed. And here the first carbon compound and second carbon compound, these both are chain length isomers. And second and third, this is positional isomers. Now we will check how many isomers are possible for this by using only chain length. The first isomer we are having 6 carbon attached in a linear manner. And second one, the 5 carbon in the linear manner and 1 is attached at the substituent. And second one, the positional isomer of the second carbon can be considered. And fourth, we are having again a carbon length isomer. 4 carbon will be there and 2 carbons are attached at this position. And we are having carbon attached to this one. Okay. So if you are substituting all the hydrogen here, definitely we can able to satisfy all the bonds.